Okay, you see Kishu right now is down in price. So this is a time to be thinking, should I buy or should I sell or what should I do? But let me show you the art of sacrificing and being patient and just believing in this asset. And I'm going to show you one more time. Well, I'm going to show you for the first time what things can happen if you sacrifice. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's bring this back one more time. If you sacrifice on any asset, that is, good things could happen in time. So let's do Kishu. I did Shiba last time. Let's do Kishu. Now, if you sacrifice 2 pair of good Jordans, $200 each, let's say $200 each. I was literally on the website looking at Jordans to see how much are Jordans, right? So 2 pairs of Jordans, $400, and you get a coupon. That's what you'll get. Or buy Kishu Inu, and you get that many Kishu in your wallet. So today's price is $400, $400. But if I wait and then wait for this to happen, 1 year later, that same Kishu is worth $4,000. That's taking off a 0 off the board. Now what I did, all I did was I just took 1 0 off the price, off this price, that price. That's all I did. If I wait 1 more year and Kishu goes up in price and everything works out okay, and I believe that $400 turns into $4,000. I had a double take when I saw that. Okay, so 1 year later, let's say you wait a little bit longer. I got bigger goals. We got bigger goals. Look at this. 2 years later, it's $40,000. $40,000. Let me go ahead and zoom out for a minute. $40,000. Remember, I took another 0 off the board. I still have the same amount of Kishu that I originally invested it in, $400, and this amount of Kishu that you see on this screen here. That's just 2 years later. 40 grand. I didn't do nothing. I didn't get the pair of Jordans. I got something else. So anyway, instead of Jordans, I got some Bordens. I didn't get Jordans, I get Bordens. Anyway, but let me go ahead and go for another year. Let's say, you know what? I'm going to continue holding. I want to be able to see what happens with my investment. Let's see if this is going to really change things for me. So another year went by. Another 0 comes off the board. Another one. $400,000 in 3, maybe 4 to 5 years to get to that price of Kishu. It may be an additional year. So I should really say, let me go ahead and just say 3 years, 3 to 5 years. So 3 to 5 years, right? That price and then that revenue off a $400 investment. Listen, you can do this with any investment that you're getting into, especially if you're getting at the ground level, which I think Kishu still is at the ground level. In my opinion, it's still at a very low level. It's not the ground, but it's at a very, very low level. And just the art of sacrifice and believe in yourself. Diamond hands. I got the diamond in my hands. So your $400 investment started out with a pair of Jordans. You put $400. And in 3 to 5 years, potentially, I'm not saying it will happen, potentially can turn into 400,000. It can even be higher than that. Let's say it decided to take 2 zeros by 5 years. Let's say 5 years, it did 2 zeros from the 2-year price that you see, $4 million. You know, you don't have to wait to something to get to 1 cent or to $1 to really make an impact on your investment. So think about that. I'm not saying it will happen, but it will be lovely to happen. It'll be lovely. It'll be very, very lovely. So 3 to 5 years, it could happen. So I'm excited about it. I'm a big fan of Kishu. I like what it's doing. And the price, what it is now, oh my goodness, it's so low. Oh, but we freak out when we see red. But before you see profits, you gotta see red before you see green on the board. And then you see green in your bank account. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Captain Inu is in service to help you just to think about things. That's what I want to do. And I'll see you on the next video.